Hello, here we've got a checkmate in 2 puzzle from 1878. This one was created by C. Wheeler. The black king is fairly trapped, but it can take the pawn, but white has the 2 rooks and the queen ready to move in. It's white's turn. Can you see the checkmate in 2? Checking the king by moving your queen to a5 is only a mate in 3, not 2. The king can take your pawn. You can then check the king again. The king moves up. You can slide the rook over to just checkmate in 3. Promoting your pawn to a queen won't get you a checkmate in 2. As black takes the pawn, in which case you can slide the rook over. Instead, black can block with the rook or check your king, and after you take back, it delays the move by 1, so you're only checkmate in 3. Moving the queen to g2 is only a mate in 3. Black can save the mate in 2 by taking your rook with their rook. And you can choose to promote to a queen. And then if black takes your queen, you can move your queen into just checkmate in 3. Moving your queen to c6 won't get you a mate in 2. Black can stop it by moving their rook to c7. When you take the rook back, the black king can take your pawn. Then you can move in, but the king has an escape square. Then you finally just get a mate in 4. Okay, let's have a look at the solution to this one. So pause the video if you need some more time. To get the checkmate in 2 for white, you need to move the queen to h1. The black king takes your pawn, you can then move the rook to d1 to checkmate in 2. If black tries to move their rook, you can still move the rook to d1 to do the checkmate. That's the end of this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.